All right, welcome to Sunnyside Certified. We got a couple of neighborhood kids here. They wanted to hear the engine, so I'm gonna start it up for them. What kind of cars do you like? Oh, you know the models and everything? That's good. Awesome. All right, you have a good one. All right, so that was fun having the kids rev up the motor. But what I was getting at is I was going to change out the cabin filter, and I was clearing out my glove box here when one of the neighborhood kids, Simon's friends, came over and asked to rev it, so I let them jump in the driver's seat. But anyways, for this cabin filter, I've already cleared out everything. You know, this is normal usage right here. It's a little dirty, but all you gotta do is press these tabs on from the outside, and it will release the hinge. So you got that on the other side rolling. You do the same for the right side, and that glove box just drops down. Now I wish all the engineers could design it this way, because on my Frontier you got to unscrew and essentially take off this whole bottom portion. If they could just do it like this, where it drops down, that makes life so much easier. All right, so all you got to do is pop open this cover. Just hooks up top. Just pull that up. Should be able to access the cabin filter, and there's two of them. So you take one out on the left side, then you slide the right one over to the left, and it comes right out. Look like there's some dirt in there. I mean, I can't remember the last time I changed this. I probably have it written down somewhere, but it's been a long time since I've been driving this car, so. But yeah, it looked like it's about time to change them. I got to take this old one out, and we're gonna pay attention to direction of flow. Look like it says it's flowing from the top down, which that makes sense because the top side is dirty. And it's been on there for a while, since it's been sticking a little bit. And I'm just gonna put the new one in the same way. Get it flush on there. It look like it slides into one of the cleats here. Stick that bad boy back in there, slide it to the right. We'll take this other one. Left side, slide it in there, and then we'll just put this cover back on. I can feel where there it goes, and just snaps right back into place. And we'll just do it in reverse order. Lift the glove box back up, we'll slide it, that hinge part back in, or you want to get it above the main part of the dash here, then just pop it back in. We'll do the same on the right side. Slightly lift up the glove box, snap it in, and there you have it, just like that.